Dear students, in this video we are going to see the layout of diesel power plant. The essential components of diesel power plant are diesel engine, air filter and supercharger, engine starting system, fuel system, lubrication system, cooling system, governing system, exhaust system. This is the main component of a diesel power plant. The engines are classified as two-stroke engine and four-stroke engines. Engines are generally directly coupled to the generator for developing power. In diesel engines, air admitted into the cylinder is compressed. At the end of the compression stroke, fuel is injected. The fuel is burned and the burning gases expand and do work on the piston. The shaft of the engine is directly coupled to the generator. After the combustion, the burned gases are exhausted to the atmosphere. The working of diesel engine is explained, discussed briefly in a video. Please go through it. Okay, let us see the construction. That is the various components of diesel engine power plant. So first one is air filter and supercharger. This is the air filter. The air filter is used to remove the dust from the air which is taken by the engine. Air filters may be of dry type, which is made up of wool or cloth. In oil bath type of filters, the air is swept over a bath of oil so that dust particles get coated. The function of the supercharger is to increase the pressure of the air supplied to the engine, and thereby the power of the engine is increased. Okay, engine starting system. Next one is engine starting system. Diesel engine used in diesel power plant is not self-starting. Engine starting system includes air compressor and the starting air tank. This is used to start the engine in cold conditions by supplying the air. So here we are not discussing about the self-starting. It is purely about cold starting. Okay. Next one is the fuel system. So it includes the storage tank, fuel pump, fuel transfer pump, strainers and heaters. Pump draws diesel from the storage tank. This is the pump which draws diesel from the storage tank and supplied to the small day tank. This is the small day tank through the filter. Day tank supplies the daily fuel needed for the engine. So this is the primary one and this is the secondary diesel tank. So the day tank is usually placed high so that the diesel flows to the engine under gravity. Diesel is again filtered before being injected into the engine by the fuel injection pump. Okay. Next one is lubrication system. It includes oil pumps. This is the pump, oil pumps, oil tanks. This is oil cooler and pipes. It is used to reduce the friction of the moving parts and reduce wear and tear of the engine parts such as cylinder walls and piston. Lubricating oil which gets heated due to the friction of the moving parts is cooled before recirculation. In the lubrication system, the oil is pumped from the lubricating oil tank through the oil cooler, where the oil is cooled by the cold water entering into the engine. The hot oil after cooling the moving parts return to the lubricating oil tank. So next one is cooling system. The temperature of the burning fuel inside the engine cylinder is in the order of 1500 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. In order to lower this temperature, water is circulated around the engine through the water jackets. The water envelops the engine. The heat from the cylinder, piston, combustion chamber, etc. is carried by the circulating water. The hot water leaving the jacket is passed through the heat exchanger. The heat from the heat exchanger is carried away by the raw water, circulated through the heat exchanger and is cooled in the cooling tower. Next one is exhaust system. So this is the exhaust system. The exhaust gases coming out of the engine is very noisy. In order to reduce the noise, a silencer, kind of a muffler silencer is used. Okay, this is the explanation of various components involved in diesel power plant. And now let us see the working of diesel power plant. So the air and the fuel mixture acts as a working medium in diesel engine power plant. The atmospheric air enters inside the combustion chamber. So from the atmosphere, the air will be sent to the combustion chamber of the engine through air filter. So air enters inside the combustion chamber during the suction stroke, and the fuel is injected through the injection pump from the storage tank of the fuel. So the air and fuel is mixed inside the engine, and the charge is ignited due to high compression inside the engine cylinder. The basic principle in diesel engine is that the thermal energy is converted into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy to produce the power by using the generator or alternator. So this is the working of diesel power plant, and this question will be asked most probably in 8 marks in Anna University examinations. For that, the drawings and the explanation of various components and the working is most important thing. Prepare well. Thank you.